I greet you all, ladies and gentlemen. Hello. I would like to share this quick information just before we go to our chat of the week. Before I go to that information, you remember correctly that last week I shared my view on what we call the Nzdchf. You can follow my video on what you call YouTube. You can follow my video there on Nzdchf. Okay, right. Uh, just before we go to my chart on Nzdchf, I would like to share this information with you of the copycat trading. The copycat trading, ladies and gentlemen, will start. I decided that let me just start the copycat trading on the first week of the month, which is next week. I just want to start with the month. You'll notice on my Facebook page, Facebook, Telegram groups, also on my Discord channels, I share the information on the copycat trading. Right, I'll be starting the copycat trading with the FBS broker, ladies and gentlemen. Right, the link for the copycat trading will be shared next week. The link will be shared next week. The FPS will allow you to open what you call the account with the link. Once you open the account, you'll search the dynamic projection or the DPT copy trading, but the information I'll share it. Uh, 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 all the information I'll share once I share the link on what to search. Once you get to the link, you search for me and then you copy. Also, I'll make my account available on my FX book. I have registered my account on my FX book. I'll share my account. You can be able to track down the trading record. I'll make it available for everyone to view there. My trading record, you can be able to track it every month, my trading record, so you can be able to see how we lose, how we make money, how much we lose. Okay, that information will be made available on my FX book. The link will be shared as well, will be made available. I won't hide that. So what we analyzed here, you can be able to see that I also trade it right on my FX book. You can be able to see my trading, my track record, right? So I decided to make my track records be available to everyone so that everyone can see the track record as well. Okay, right. Before I go to the chat, guys, note that the copycat trading link for FBS will be made available next week. If you want to copy those trades that I'll be taking, it will be made available. All the information about the copy trading is shared on my Discord channel where I share signals, is there. Also, for those traders who want to see signals, I send signals that comes with the chart there on Discord channel. To copy those, I mean, to get signals, it's only priced at 2,500 rands. That's the once-off price you pay. That service is for 2 years, guys. It ends next year, December, the 2021 December. That's where the service you pay only pay this 2,500 once. Okay, right. You can also decide to copy the trades if you want to. If you are busy at work, you can't be able to take trades and stuff like that. You don't know anything about trading. You want to make money. You have some money that you have invested and you want to invest it into trading. You want to generate some cash, some profit, uh, some some innings monthly, or you want to withdraw weekly. Copycat trading is for those who can't even trade, right? Or you want to divest your money, trade some, invest some. If you like my style of trading, if you like me, if you like to follow me, you can also take some funds, deposit on your account as well. You will note on my page I've shared information about the copycat trading that will start now. I will also make copycat trading be available on my FX book as well. So you are free to move from the FBS app and move back to your trading account and able to link your trading account with my account, or via that will be available on my on my what on my FX book as well. It will be available. right? But it will not be available now. I'll inform you once I start sharing the information about my FX book that copy trading that will be available. You'll see there on my FX book. If you look at my account, you'll see on top on top you can be able to copy that. You can be able to copy that. It's up to you if you want to copy that. I see there on my FX book. Sometimes it can also be free to copy there. Okay, all right. On FPS, you can be able to copy, right, and pay the broker the commission. That's all it is. Last week, when I shared the Nzdchf, I said I am looking for a pattern over here. I said I am looking for a bet pattern that is this one over this area, right? And I said all I'm looking for this to come down here before we go up. Let's just see if that is happening currently. Let's just unfortunately I share the most of the information on when to trade this. I share it on my group, on my signal group. Right, I said we wanted this to come a little bit down before we move to the upside. There was a box here. I don't know where is this box. There was a box that I shared here, right? A box starts here, right? But this will come to the 886% of this move, the 0.886 fifth of this of that W. Okay, that's where we expect this to push all the way to the upside. I see there's a small box over there, small box over there. This is a setup that I shared in my group on a just before it breaks. I think this has broken out already. It has break out here. You can see that it has broken out the structure that we anticipated. It has broke out. It has moved. Pips, if you can look this on smaller time frames, you'll see that it has moved a few pips away from where we expected this to break out. Okay, that's what we expected this to move. This is a setup I shared on my YouTube channel. I made it available for public on my YouTube channel. This setup over here. There is nothing else that we're looking for. We're looking to get corrections. Keep trading this until we get to this where we're gonna scale out our profit, and we're gonna expect that in this area we're gonna get a bigger correction that will take us all the way to the blue box. That is 0.59979, 0.59921. That's where we expect to take all of our profit, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this is an Nzdchf that I would like to share with you guys. Expect that this is going to push all the way to the downside. Right. What I can share with you also is this setup here, the Usdcad. Lovely on the Usdcad, guys. Let's just go to daily time frame and share with everyone. I see everyone was asking me what exactly are you expecting to see on the Usdcad, guys. Let me just share this information with everyone on what I expecting in the USD, what you call CAD. Okay, I want this page on my right hand side to close. Okay, this is what I'm expecting, guys, to see. I've been looking this like this. I've been looking at this three-wave structure going down. Okay, then this corrective structure coming up like this. This is an ABC corrective structure that ends with a diagonal. It's an 1A, right? A here, coming back, B here. Then this is a C. You can see it's a C corrective structure, this one. But this here, with a different color, this move here, it's an ending diagonal here. It's an ending diagonal of this ABC corrective structure. Then after that, we had the move that was strongly going down here in the another blue. We had that move. Okay, after that move, we then get this corrective structure, big corrective structure that we see over here. Is it complete? Not yet. We don't think it's complete. We don't think it's complete, this one. After this corrective structure is finished, we're going to expect this to start moving down in blue here, giving us similar moves to these blue ones that we've got previously here on USDCAD. So what are we having here currently? We are having this move up correction that give us wave two, a wave one, wave two, Wave 3, this is currently wave 4. We anticipate to get wave 5. We also have placed our what you call line here channel. So we expect that this will come and bounce into this channel. Based on our countings, we expected that this is going to be one count, two count on the channel. We expect that this is going to give us a third touch here. So after this third touch, we're not going to hesitate. We're just going to sell this all the way. But what are we seeing? We're seeing this as a corrective structure, guys. This as a corrective structure. This is nothing a corrective structure. This whole thing is a corrective structure. Once this corrective structure is finished, we're going to get this move, this blue move, similar to these two moves, these three-wave move that have happened previously. So minimum of your take profit, you're gonna just draw another channel, this area. Minimum take profit will be just on this channel that will be drawn here. That's the minimum take profit. Okay. Minimum take profit, then we're going to expect that this will take us all the way to the upside. Guys, let me show this chart. You will see that we're expecting this to bounce at this channel. We had the first touch here, second touch here. We expect a third touch at this blue box here, and we expect that this is giving us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside. Remember, an ABC corrective structure gives us a last wave as 5 waves, as an impulse 5 waves. Okay, this is how we're spotting this into our group. It's fine. It doesn't matter that you even seeing this. It doesn't matter. I'm not hiding this one here. We expected that this on the breakout will push up to the blue box. That's where we expected that this, you can see that a stop loss, okay, but I will still update this as well, stop loss. But maybe here, the stop loss will be too far. If you expect this to break out here, the stop loss will have to sit below this channel here. And take it all the way to the upside. That means you have to consider the lot size of taking this one. Unless here we get the corrective structure as some kind of a flag. If we get this flag here, and if that flag breaks out here, then it will give us a good risk reward because our stop loss will put it below this flag over here. Okay, then break all the way to the upside. That's what we're expecting. But what we're expecting now, we expect that this structure will break. It doesn't matter when this structure will break, but once this structure breaks here, if it goes continue to go impulsively, we're going to expect that we get this corrective structure over here for better risk reward ratio. And if it breaks, we take it all to the upside. Instead of putting a stop all the way down here, we're going to put the stop just below this flag here, 30 to 40 pips below this flag. Then we're going to expect that this one is go to the blue box. At the blue box, we're going to expect that this goes down. So it's up to us. It's up to everyone. If you decide to sell it over here, then decide where to put your stop loss. Maybe yeah, you're gonna decide to put your stop loss. But me and my group, we're gonna take a trade aggressively up here and move to the downside. If we get another corrective structure, that's where we take another trades as well. But we're gonna continue to sell this up until we get to the channel that I've mentioned to you. I don't think I've drawn this channel yet. Let's go daily and see if that channel is there. Yeah, that channel should be drawn all the way down here. That's where the channel should be drawn, right? But if you go and track all my setup that I've sent, I was expecting that this is gonna push to the upside after this has went down because this is nothing else but the corrective structure moving to the sideways. Okay, that's the Usdcad. This week I've shared Usdcad and Nzdchf. You can see that Nzdchf, nothing there, but we've went all the way to the downside. We've went all the way down with the Nzdchf. Guys, I'd like to announce that if you want to join my signal team, the group that receives signals, you can, if you get into my Telegram group on top there, there's a pinned message. The signal is 2,500 rands once off. You pay it once off. You don't pay. You pay it once off. You can also divide your money if you like. Put other one to copycat trading if you like to copy. If you are busy, I know you've got guys who are busy at work. They are so much busy. They can't even take these signals. Right. Then you get this move. This was a nice move. that we spotted in our group. Um, this one over here. Let me see if I can share that with you before it was spotted. All right, guys, noted that this was paused while I was trying to explain this. This video, guys, was shared. This is what was shared into our group. This is what was shared into our group. We set on a breakout. We take this all the way to the downside. We scale out the profit here. Then the, our take profit is going to be in this one, but we expect that this can even push to the 88.6% also to this channel, because this, if you look at this channel going down, it looks like what we call some kind of a diagonal. That's what we're looking at. So we expect that here, this, we're going to take this to the upside, but where we expect to be taking the upside trade is at 88.6%. That's where we expect to take this upside trade at 88.6%. But this is what was shared to our group. So what you currently see is what is already happened, already broken out already. It is already broken out. So if you're willing to take this, you're gonna wait for nothing else but wait for market to do that. Keep taking it to this level. You scale out, and then expect a bigger correction over this area. The correction that I'm expecting to see over this area, over this scaling out, is a similar correction to that one. I'm expecting to see it here. Okay, then you're gonna take the trade all the way to the downside, guys. All right, if you like this video, guys, subscribe to this channel for more videos. Subscribe to this channel. You can also like it. If you don't like it, thumbs down. Okay, you can also share it to some peeps for more information. Don't forget, copy trading will start next week. Next week, I'll be sharing the link to everyone. FPS link will be shared to everyone. Then thereafter, after a few weeks from there, the my FB my what my FX book link will be shared to all channel, because everyone can be able to track whatever that I'm doing. All right, because I've just started with my FX book, and then I'll share all the accounts that I am doing. I'll upload them on my FX book. You'll track them there and see what I'm doing there. Cheers, guys. Enjoy. Bye bye.